Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable soup with coconut milk. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll want about 4 cups of chopped vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and spinach. Next, in a large pot, sauté 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 1 cup of diced onions until fragrant. Then, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth and add your harder vegetables to simmer. Now let's talk about the stars of our soup. For that luscious creaminess, you'll need 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. Stir this in after your vegetables have softened slightly. To add incredible depth of flavor, include 2 teaspoons of curry powder or 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, about 1 tablespoon, will brighten the entire dish beautifully. The cooking process is quite straightforward. Allow your soup to simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. If you're adding delicate greens, like 2 cups of fresh spinach or kale, stir them in during the final 5 minutes of cooking so they don't overcook. Always taste and adjust your seasoning with salt, pepper, and perhaps a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little warmth. Once your soup is ready, it's time to serve. Garnish each bowl with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or some finely chopped green onions for a burst of freshness. This hearty soup pairs wonderfully with a side of warm, crusty bread or a bowl of fluffy steamed rice. Feel free to customize by adding other vegetables like 1 cup of diced sweet potatoes or half a cup of sliced mushrooms for variety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.